Hi guys! Welcome back to wherever you are watching this video. So lately, I've shared with you a little bit of my skincare, diba? So the lotion that I'm using, the lip balm that I'm using, ayan. And I'm a fan of this product, diba? If you remember, no, if you've been following me. And thanks for watching that video. And ngayon, I will be sharing with you, and I'm so excited to actually share with you yung i-unbox kong kit or product, no, coming from the same brand. So, coming from Fresh Philippines. So, I got this from Fresh, and I'm so excited to share these products with you, no, and I will create different reviews of each product na nakuha ko from them. Anyway, if you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. So, ayun nga, kakauwi ko lang from work and I had meeting pa, late night meeting ng 10 p.m. So, if mapapansin nyo is hulas na rin talaga ang aking face. So, kanina pa talaga ako. Alam mo yun, kating-kating na din akong maligo, mag-skincare and all. Pero, ayan, mag-vlog muna tayo tonight. So, i-share ko sa inyo ang kit that I got from Fresh Philippines. So, this is their Fresh Super K-Beauty Glamwear. So, recently, they launched products, no? Beauty products and the K-Beauty, which are very, yung mga products sila are very affordable and effective and cute yung mga packaging. Kaya sobrang excited ako. And let's unbox this. So, unbox this with me. So, okay. So, color pink. This is my favorite color. Sa mga nag-follow sa akin, alam nila yan. And once you open the box, no, merong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Ayan, makikita nyo naman here yung prices. And again, guys, super affordable ng mga products ni Fresh, no. Before pa, nagre-review na ako ng shampoo, hair care, ayan, lotion, and all. If you're gonna check Watsons mismo and or their website, ayan, sa Shopee, Lazada, mura at effective yung kanilang mga product. So, let's check this one by one, no? So, ito, freebie. Okay, so ang cute ng salamin na to, no? Yan. So, very handy, pink, heart. Okay. Makeup mixing palette. So, this is just 179 pesos. Feel like a pro nakalagay. Kasi nga naman, di ba, pagka nagpapa-makeup ka, no, makikita mo doon sa mga makeup artists, di ba, para silang nagpipintura. Ganyan. Okay. This is so nice. This is so cute. This is very useful, lalo dun sa mga girls or kung sino man yung mga nag-makeup na nagmi-mix ng foundation, no? And I'm one of them. Actually, recently, na-realize ko, para makuha ko yung tone ng makeup ko talaga. Kasi parang wala tagang pumapasok sa banga. Minsan sobrang puti ng mukha ko or nangingitim, ganyan. Why not mag-mix na nga din ako? So, I tried it. Kaya, bumili ako ng maliit na version ng palette, which is ginagamit ko siya. Hindi ko na siya makita. So, happy ako na may inclusion ako ng makeup mixing palette. So, of course, usually, napapansin ko rin, may mga instructions na sa likod, yung boxes, no? So, susundin mo na lang siya. Something like that. So, pakita ko na din sa inyo. So, ito malaking version. This is only for 179 pesos. Meron lang siyang, tatanggalin ko na lang siya. And also the spatula. So, ayun. And the second one that I got right here, guys, is the face sculpting gua sha. Here, ito. I got this one and this is my first time to actually use this. And again, sa likod ay merong how to work it. Work talaga. work it. Ayan. So, ang cute-cute lang talaga ng packaging. At the same time, meron na din instructions para hindi ka ma-lost kung first-timer ka, nagagamit ng mga ganitong bagay, na pampaganda ng ganitong mga tools, just like me, no? Hindi ka mawawala. Honestly, hindi kasi ako sanay pag gumamit nito. But I am so excited to try and use this product. So, dito makikita mo na agad kung saan mo unang gagamitin. Dito muna, sa liig, diba? Dito sa noo. Ayan. So, yeah, I think this can help sa mga eye bags. Ayan, sa cheekbones like me na may malaking cheekbones. No? I'll make a short reel or review about this. So, this is so cute. Again, lagi or madalas na pink products and packaging. May fresh. And the next one is the mini finger puff. Okay. So, ito very useful din siya, no? Of course, para sa concealer. What else? Para mas smoothen yung mga foundation na nilalagay. So, this is actually 109 pesos, no? This includes, ayun, nasira ko yung box. This includes, here, meron pang lalagyan inside. 5 puffs. And guys, useful ito sa akin kasi I buy din talaga a lot of this. And this is, ayan o, ang ganda ng pagka-foam niya. So, I'm excited to try this one. Kasi gamit na gamit din sa akin yung mga mini puff, no? Another one inside the box is the oil control volcanic roller. So, 149 pesos. So, if oily ka like me, this is useful, no? Eco-friendly pa siya. Why? Kasi, diba, usually, we use the, yung mga, anong tawag doon? Yung pangtanggal ng oil blot sheets. Yun, diba? So, yung mga maninipis na sheets, pinang tatanggal ng oil. So, eto, this is useful, no, for me, I think. And also, again, merong instructions sa likod. The packaging is good. I'll create a small, short reel dito. No, medyo na parang nakita ko to sa mga K-drama. No, pero balm ata yung ginagamit nila. This one is pantanggal siya ng oil. So, merong, ayan o, here. Kita nyo ba yun? No? Ito oily. This is so nice. Oh, nakita nyo ba yun? Oh, nawala. Oh. Yan. Imaginary ko ba lang? Joke lang. Pero I think, this is nice, So, I'll make a new reel or short review about this one. May instructions din dito kung saan siya usually or saan yung mga oily na areas ng face mo, at the same time kung paano siya nililinis. So, you just have to twist this one and then kunin mo yung below and then you use a cleanser to clean this and then overnight dry. Okay, so medyo naputo lang ating video dahil 10 minutes na siya, no? So, I've shared a while ago na, ayun nga, this is very effective. So, I'll create a new reel about this. And then last, no, guys, meron tayong parehong 199 na aloe vera facial setting mist and collagen mattifying facial setting mist. So, these are both mist, no? So, you can use this one on the go, no? If gusto mo siyang bitbitin para lang mag-hydrate ka ng face mo whenever you're on the go. At the same time, you can actually use this, no, to set your makeup after you do your makeup on, no? Every morning. So, one is matte and one is for glowing, no? For long-lasting makeup and oil control, for long-lasting makeup and glowy finish. So, this is, meron namang mga instructions din sa likod. So, ang cute talaga. Kahit yung mga bote ng fresh, sobrang ang cute. So, parang, alam mo yun, kung ikaw yung bibili, magaganahan ka talagang bumili. And not just that, effective talaga siya, guys. The products itself, I'm really fan of it. So, thank you for watching. I'll create new reviews about each product, no? So stay tuned. Bye!